Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing the latest updates from a community in X. Staying up to date with the latest discussions and content is key to an engaging community experience. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to view the latest from a community in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Ensure that you're on the home screen to begin the process. Step 2. Locate the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. This icon represents the community section. Tap on it to access the community page. Step 3. On the community page, either tap on the desired community icon or use the search icon to find the community you want to explore. Choose the method that suits your preference. Step 4. Once you're on the community page, look for the latest option in the top drawer. Tap on it to access the latest updates from the community. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view the latest from a community in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.